Good morning, friends. So today, in a continuation with the last session, few practice we will do as far as the tomorrow's test is concerned. Tomorrow there will be a 20-mark descriptive test for you all at 9:30, and attachment, the PDF, the image, you can do whatever it is there. And I just kept the limit now of that file size up to 100 MB. So there should not be any issue to attach the file to that, but only your task is to just two questions will be there. One is for 14 mark and one is for 6 mark. So in that 6 mark, you supposed to write the one code which has been asked in the question. So you are supposed to read the question carefully and you have to write the code, and you have to paste that code in that Google form itself. And for 14 marks, that you supposed to note it down on the A4 page or the triple B page, whatever you are having, and just take a snapshot of that, make it a PDF and attach to that Google form. So it is expected to use normally the cam scanner, that software or that app, that is very helpful for to just making the or reducing the size of that PDF, so that you can easily attach to the this Google form. And while attaching that PDF, you supposed to just put your roll number and name as a name for that particular file. So that care also you supposed to take, so that all the collectively files I can uh, guess that by whom it is been attached. Next thing, that the mail ID. So you supposed to write the correct official mail ID. Those who are having the not having the official this college mail ID, so they can use the personal mail IDs, but it should be in a working condition. So that's why it will be accessible by you only for the getting result. For earlier test, that is test number 2, so many students has not attached or not given responses to the test 2. So in that, I think at around 18 to 19 student were absent. So this thing, if it will happen over again, so it will be Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, madam. So we were talking about that the tomorrow's test. So at 9:30 it will start. The link I will provide to you, and the timing definitely I will put for the 1 hour only. So be honestly, you supposed to just see the questions and start writing the answers in your handwriting, and you supposed to just paste as a PDF to attach to that Google form. So two questions are there. So in one question you supposed to attach one file, and in second question you supposed to write there the code and paste over there itself in that particular paragraph type. So in that way the 20 marks third test tomorrow it is going to be conducted at 9:30. And for that the base, so we are just doing this practice of this program as a continuation of our last session. So I hope all are here. So few students has left, why I don't know. Okay, we will continue. So yesterday few of the programs for the basics programs we have debugged. So in the same way, so I have started this today's window. Just see this program and don't bother about that what this program is of, but any mistake or any error you are getting from this program, that you supposed to read it, think it, and you supposed to tell it in the chat box. Only error is there or no, that at least you supposed to tell in the chat box, or this program will run without error.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Screen it not visible, just second. Why? Okay, present. Sorry, now started sharing. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So the one program I have pasted on the screen. Don't bother about that. What is this program is of? But logically, is it can run without error or no? That you supposed to just tell me. Because by debugging only we can make confident to ourselves how to write or how we can find out the errors from the program and what the changes we supposed to do it there. So just read it this properly, and can be run without error, yes or no, according to you. We are going to see definitely here that what it is be the case. प्रोग्राम कशाचा आहे दॅट यू डोंट थिंक. फक्त हा प्रोग्राम रन होईल का, म्हणजे एरर काय देईल का तो रन करताना. लॉजिकल काहीतरी तिथं राहिलंय का. Definitely, as I told this much time, or just insisting, so definitely there is something missing. But what is that missing? That you supposed to try. Okay, I got to no, because we should write delay code. So the first answer I got the very correct answer, and that is needed over there. कारण ए कॉल डिले लिहिलेले म्हणजे तो डिले काय आहे तर कुठला सिस्टीम कीवर्ड नाही आहे. So for that it is a subroutine. आपण डिले कॉल करतोय म्हणजे तो डिले एक छोटासा प्रोग्राम आहे की जो त्या मेन प्रोग्राम मध्ये पाहिजेच. अदरवाईज तो कुठं म्हणून जाणार, ए कॉल डिले, जम्प होणार, तो कॉल करणार, पण डिलेचा प्रोग्रामच नाहीये त्या मेन प्रोग्राम मध्ये. सो दॅट इज द debug. Very good, madam. And that is needed to be added over there. So after adding that, what is this program of, that we will see afterwards. So now we will go towards that the few of the programs that where I kept, where they went. Just give a second. Yes, I got it. So this is what the programs have noted. Few of the program yesterday we have seen. Now you just read this program. You just read this program. And now again, whatever the instruction they are written there, so from that, is it possible for you to tell me that what is this program of? So those who have just seen that, when I open that notepad and read instantly, so definitely you got the answer. But by reading this program, can you tell me what is this program is of? काय ऑपरेशन या प्रोग्राम मध्ये आहे? So this program doesn't have any error actually. I have tested it. But now we're supposed to check out few of the programs which are like the addition, subtraction. These are the arithmetic operations we have seen. So accordingly, the same we're supposed to see today, that the few of the logical operations. That is the hint. So if we have studied all the instructions from theory part, so what is this program is of? So again, the Abuli has given the answer, and that is of the and. Okay, very good. Now the next question. So try to write down this code on your paper or in your notebook. Put today's date, logical instruction, and below that program for and operation, and note it down, these lines. And in result, what the result I will get, that you have to put in the chat box, and it is expected from other students also now. So just take your time and write down this program. आणि ह्याचा रिझल्ट काय येईल, उत्तर काय येईल, अँड ऑपरेशन आहे हे तर सांगितलंच त्यांनी, इट इज करेक्ट. पण काय उत्तर मिळेल आपल्याला, रिझल्ट मिळेल, सो दॅट यू सपोज टू टेल. आय विल शो यू हिअर बाय सिम्युलेशन, की सिम्युलेशननं केलेला रिझल्ट आणि तुमचा रिझल्ट मॅच होतोय का. सो नोट इट डाऊन. Okay, is it written? So now expecting the answer. काय रिझल्ट मिळेल? एंडिंग ऑपरेशन आहे, 2 इनपुट्स दिलेले आहेत आणि यू सपोज टू टेल मी द आन्सर. So what are the steps done here in this small program? So that I will just dictate now. At the first step, that is the move R1 0010 0011 B, that is binary. So this is the what? The binary data. It is shifted to register R1. So now you're supposed to just remember here at this moment that this R1 register is from which bank? So by default, it is from RB0. RB0. Next step or the instruction, that is move A hash that 0110 0001 binary. This binary data, 8-bit data, is transferred to the accumulator. And the next step, that is ANDing, that is logical ANDing, ANL A comma R1. Here the ANDing will happen and the result will be stored in A. After that, whatever this accumulator data is there or the result is there, so that is transferred to the P1. So what is this P1? That is port 1. So in simulation, we are always using the ports. So that's why this transfer from accumulator to port 1, you can transfer to port 2 also, port 3 also, no issue with that. So here they have transferred the result to the P1 and end. So we have to see our final result in port P1. That is what the answers you are giving now. So no answer I got from your side. So it is a simple ANDing operation. So bit by bit it is going to make a ANDing. So LSB, that is 1 1, means the answer will be 1. Then 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, again 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. So that will be the answer for this. Got it? So let us see that is it giving the same. So I am saving the program and checking for the errors. So 0 errors it is giving. And after that, debugging mode. So debug, start. So click on OK. And after that, here run option is there. But before this, where to we have to see the output? Port P1. So that is available in peripheral, IO port and port 1. So this is what the port 1 you can observe over here. So by default, this tick mark is there, means all ones are there, means 0 FF. 0 FF. So when we run the program, this ANDing program. So what is happening? Just observe carefully. Observed? So what is happening? So as per our calculation, the result was there for one for only at two places, and this is what now the output it came. So the rightmost bit and fifth bit, that is 1 1 was there, and ANDing operation gives the 1 1 1. That means that bit only it is on, all others are off. So this is how you got, or you can simulate, you can see the output in kill software, that is the using assembly language. So now I have to stop this program. So I have to first stop the debugging. Stop the debugging, so that the you can edit now, or you can change the program or other things. So this is what the first today's first program for ANDing we have seen, and the output was 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. In that way the output has came for AND. I hope, even though you have not put in the chat box, but you have calculated on the or in the notebook, and that is matching with this. So next operation we will do. So like AND, this is the operation for NAND. This is the operation for NAND. So give the again heading NAND operation and copy paste this code as it is. So I think the same inputs it is been given, and operation is done, and after that it's a negation is done, that is complement, it is happen. So if you have observed carefully, so you will get the answer. How to write a program for NAND operation. So now for this program also expecting the answer in the chat box, that what will be the result after NAND operation. So that we will see in the port 1. So write this program, go for the NAND operation, and try to put your comment in the chat box as a result of this program. काय आउटपुट मिळेल आपल्याला. Okay, very good. So let us see here that I will save the program. I will check for the error. No error. Build the program and then start debugging. Click on OK, and here the port 1 it is coming, and when I run the program, so whatever you have given written the answers, so is it showing the same? Just observe it. 110 11110. So I hope that is the correct answer you all of you has written. So that is a very nice thing, because after the complement it is going to be showing the same. That is what the NAND operation. So I will stop this one. So very good. This is for NAND. Now instead of just pasting me the program over here, I am expecting the program by you for OR gate or operation, for OR operation. So what the changes we should do in this code, you just put in the chat box, or you just note it down on your notebook also. Give the heading OR operation and write the code for that. Now it has been tasked to you that what is the instruction for OR operation that you supposed to find out from instruction list. So take your time and write the whole program in the chat box. No issue. For OR operation. What the simple change we supposed to do, that you have to search out for that and edit and write in the chat box. So from boy side also expecting the answers, because this is the small programs, basic programs, codes that you supposed to get understand. Then only the buzzer, the relay, the stepper motor, the DC motor, how to run that. The code is already available, no issue with that, but how to get understand, so that is also important. Why this step, why that step. So from such this small programs only our logic will get clear. So first okay, output URL R1, that instruction. I got the program, very nice. So let us do online this changes as it is. I'm also not going to copy paste from that. So instead of ORL A comma R1, this is what the instruction it is, we have to replace it. And after that MOV P1, or instead of that we will take P2 comma A and end. I will save the program. I will check for the error. So no errors it is showing. So build the target, and after that I will start the debugging. Okay, the what will be the answer for this result ORing operation? So what will be the result? So that also you just keep ready so that we can confirm from here. So is the answer is ready? Can I run the program? What will be the or in answer of this or operation कसं असतं? Someone just paste answer. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, let us see. I am going to run this. See here carefully on the screen now. I have run the program. Where is the answer?
Sir, port 2 we have taken.
Correct. So that is what I was expecting from your side, that as we have edited that program by port 2, so we supposed to use the this particular port number 2. Very good. That only the our participation it is expected over here. So again I am just doing this one, and peripheral IO port 2, that now I have made it on, and now I will run the program, and this is what the answer you will get over here for port 2, and whatever the answers the Aboli has put here, so that is 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1, so that is going to match. So this is how, even though the program is correct, no error, but still we didn't find the answer. So that way we supposed to give the concentration over here, that as we have used the port 2, so we supposed to check the port 2. So very good. So this is for OR operation. Now go for the NOR operation. What addition only we supposed to do in this? Just tell that line only. For NOR operation, only the line we supposed to add over here, and that line is, yes, I got that, serial A. Now rewrite the same program under the NOR operation, and just give me the result, so that I will confirm over here the same result, zero error. Debug I will start. What is the result we will get after running the program for NOR operation? So only 3-4 students has participated. The other students also expected to just give your contribution in this, because I don't think that this is a too much difficult to understand or to just find it out. The small basic operations we are just playing with. Okay, the answer I got. So let us, I will run this, and the answer is 100111100. Correct. So this is what we got the for NOR operation. And which operation it is now? XOR. Now you supposed to tell me the instruction for XOR in the chat box. Same data we will take. And what is the command for XORing that I am expecting from your side? So who are there else? This Kshipra and Apoli and the Rupali. Achal Sheikh. Now it is your turn to just tell me here what the instruction we supposed to write or add over there for doing the XOR operation. Gayatri Bhandare. Okay, Gayatri Kuntla has
Yes,
given
sir.
this answer. So all has to participate, madam. Okay, I got the one of the answer. So ORL. Is it so? Madam, we supposed to do the XORing operation. So for that, what is the command? Just check the instruction list for XORing. What command we can write here? Okay, I got answer XPL. Oh, is it verified, madam? XPL, XRL. Okay, XRL. So that way we supposed to just check it out. And now tell the answer also for XORing. हा जो डेटा दिलेला आहे त्याचं जर एक्सॉरिंग केलं तर व्हॉट रिझल्ट वी विल गेट. Zero error means it is correct. Now the answer time. Start debug. Say OK. And run. Before run, I need your answer. XORing केल्यावर काय आउटपुट मिळेल? XORingचं आता कसं ऑपरेशन होत असतं, like ending and oring, that you should remember. So those who are remembering, for them okay, but those who are not remembering, I will just give the hint. For XORing 0 0 असेल तर 0, 1 1 असेल तर 0, 0 1 असेल तर 1, 1 0 असेल तर 1. So this is the truth table we can say for the XORing. तर तशा पद्धतीनं काय आउटपुट मिळेल ह्या प्रोग्रामसाठी, ह्या इनपुटसाठी, that you supposed to put me in the chat box. Okay, Kshipra has given, Boli has given. Let us check. I am now run this program. And the answer is 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, that is the what correct answer I got from Vaishnavi, Pallavi, and all others also. So thank you for that, your participation. So this is the what we have seen for the XORing. So for XORing, this instruction has to write XRL. So those who have mismatched, so you can make it correct. Now the last we will go for that, the very important and interested this program. So little we will modify it so that this is the program for LED interfacing. That means एलईडी ऑन ऑफ करायसाठी हा कोड आहे. तुम्ही एलईडी कुठल्याही पोर्टच्या पिनला लावू शकता. 4 पोर्ट आहेत. प्रत्येक पोर्टला 8 पिन आहेत. तर एका पोर्ट कुठलाही एक चूज केला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ह्या प्रोग्राममध्ये त्यांनी P1 पोर्ट घेतलेला आहे. तर P1 पोर्टला 8 एलईडी तुम्ही कनेक्ट करू शकता. 8 एलईडी कनेक्ट करू शकता. तर बाय डिफॉल्ट त्यांचं स्टेटस सुरुवातीचं काय असणार आहे आणि मग ऑन ऑफ कसं करायचं, तर त्याच्यासाठी हा प्रोग्राम सिंपल प्रोग्राम लिहिलेला आहे. सो मेन प्रोग्राम इज व्हॉट आय एम हायलाइटेड. हा फक्त मेन प्रोग्राम आहे आणि खालच्या जे ह्या 2-3 लाईन्स लिहिलेल्या आहेत, सो दिस इज फॉर इन्सर्टिंग द डिले. ऑन आणि ऑफ मधला पिरियड तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी की आता ऑन आहे आता ऑफ आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी हा डिलेचा कोड लिहिलेला आहे. सो as I told in the last session also, this is the simplest code for the delay. काय हा डिलेचा कोड लिहिला आहे तर 255 R6 मध्ये आहे आणि जोपर्यंत ते 0 होत नाहीये तोपर्यंत हा लूप रन होत राहतोय. And that is what, and after that once it is become 0, RET म्हणजे return to the main program. तर अशा पद्धतीनं हा डिलेचा स्मॉलेस्ट प्रोग्राम आहे. सो यू जस्ट ऑलवेज मग अप दिस actually the program. Okay, come to the program. So this is what LED interfacing is been done. They have used the port 1 and by default they have given the input to port 1, that is FF. आता we know that जर LED ऑन म्हणजे 1, ऑफ म्हणजे 0, तर इथं त्यांनी FF दिलेलं आहे म्हणजे 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 means all the LEDs will be by default in a on condition. By default in the on condition. तर step by step we will see that की काय हा प्रोग्राम लिहिलेला आहे. So first they have initialized the port 1 की 0FFH हे. आता one more thing that you supposed to note it down. Nowhere you will get that information. जर तुम्हाला FF हा डेटा लिहायचा असेल म्हणजे अल्फाबेटनं चालू होणारा, इट शुड बी प्रिसाइडेड विथ 0. इट शुड बी प्रिसाइडेड विथ 0. म्हणून जर तुम्हाला FF टाकायचं असेल तर लिहिताना तुम्हाला 0FF लिहावंच लागतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल खाली बघा, आता इथं तुम्हाला 00H टाकायचंय. सो इट इज नॉट प्रिसाइडेड बाय एक्स्ट्रा 0. फक्त जर अल्फाबेट असेल ABCDEF यापैकी सुरुवातीला, तर मात्र त्याची सुरुवात तुम्हाला 0 न करावे लागते. AB असेल, CA असेल, काही असेल इथं, तर तसं जर सुरुवात C न किंवा B न होत असेल तर इट शुड बी प्रिसाइडेड विथ 0. So that is one of the rule while writing the code in the 8051. So that also you supposed to remember. 00 असेल किंवा 02 असेल, 05 असेल किंवा 52 असेल, डिजिट जर असतील तर त्याला अलीकडे 0 लावायची गरज नाही. So write it down this rule somewhere in the notebook that if the data starts with alphabet, you supposed to preside it with 0. Okay, now let us see. तर पोर्ट 1 मध्ये FF टाकलेलं म्हणजे बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑल द LEDs विल बी ऑन. नंतर ए कॉल डिले म्हणजे कॉल केलेला आहे डिले. हा प्रोग्राम मग कॉल होतो, तेवढा वेळ तो ऑनच राहते सगळे LED. पुन्हा काय केलेलं आहे तर मूव P1 कॉमा 00 म्हणजे सगळे LED 00 करून टाकलेले आहेत, म्हणजे दे विल बी इन नाव ऑफ कंडिशन. परत डिले कॉल केलेला आहे की थोडा वेळ ऑफच राहू देत. आणि पुन्हा SJMP अप. अप कुठे लिहिलेलं आहे तर इथं. पुन्हा वर जा, पुन्हा तेच कर, पुन्हा डिले कॉल कर, पुन्हा ऑन, पुन्हा ऑफ, पुन्हा डिले कॉल कर, पुन्हा अपला जा. सो दिस इज व्हॉट द मेन प्रोग्राम इट इज गोइंग टू बी रन. आणि ह्या ज्या 3 लाईन्स आहे ह्या आहेत त्या डिलेसाठी आहेत. So now expecting that ki just note it down if it is there, if you want, and see the execution. हा प्रोग्राम रन झाल्यावर काय होतंय ते ऑब्झर्व करा. Now as a regular process, save, check for error, build a target. Now it is run. Port 1 वापरलेला आहे म्हणून मी debug start, click on OK. So इथं port 2 आलेला आहे. So I have to close this and I have to reopen port 1. So port 1 I have opened over here. So by default it is on condition. Now I will run the program and see the output. So what you are observing? On off, on off, on off, all the LEDs on off, it is happening. Got it? So this is what the program it is going to be run in this manner. Now the magical things in this program is that की सगळेच LED आता ऑन ऑफ होत आहेत. तर मला तसं नकोय. अल्टरनेट LEDs ऑन ऑफ व्हायला पाहिजेत. अल्टरनेट LED ऑन ऑफ व्हायला पाहिजेत. तर मला ह्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये काय चेंज करावा लागेल. So just think on this. I will stop this debugging. Program तुमच्या समोर आहे. And just within 2 minutes try to find key alternate LED. So for your sake I just hit this window. Side by side I have just opened one of the slide. In that I have shown that की P चे जे 8 पिन्स आहेत तर त्याला 1 1 1 1 ऑल वन्स होते. तर आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय तर अल्टरनेट LED ऑन करायचेत. म्हणजे P1.7, P1.5, P1.3 and P1.1 हे ऑन झाले पाहिजेत आणि बाकीचे ऑफ झाले पाहिजेत. तर ते ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ आपल्याला व्हायला पाहिजे. तर त्यासाठी ह्या कोडमध्ये काय चेंज करावा लागेल. हेच फक्त अल्टरनेट ऑन ऑफ झाले पाहिजेत. बाकीचे सगळे ऑफच राहिले पाहिजेत कायमचे. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला कोडमध्ये काय चेंज करावं लागेल. सो हा ऑन राहिला पाहिजे म्हणजे हा 1च. इथं 0, इथं 1, इथं 0, इथं 1, इथं 0, इथं 1 आणि इथं 0. So in this way we supposed to update 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. मग हे जर हेक्स मध्ये केलं तर काय होतं 1 0 1 0 म्हणजे A म्हणजेच की 0 A A. So the correct answer I got also here. So by default it will be there. So here 0 A A. Got it? And for this instruction it is 0 0 definitely. Nothing else we supposed to do it. So let us check it out. Save, no error, and start debugging. Port 1च आपण घेतलेला आहे and I am going to run this. So you can observe over here की alternate LEDs ऑन ऑफ होत आहेत. Got it? So this is what magic is there in this the same program. फक्त डेटा तुम्ही इनपुट जो आहे तो चेंज केला की त्याच्यानुसार हा प्रोग्राम चेंज होतोय. Now it is the task to you for as a homework की यामध्ये आता जे ऑफ आहेत ते ऑन करून बघायचे. गॉट इट? म्हणजे आता 4 ऑन होत आहेत, 4 ऑफ आहेत. तर त्याच्या उलटच दिसलं पाहिजे मला की 4 एकदा हे ऑन झाले पाहिजेत, थोड्या वेळाने हे बाकीचे 4 ऑन झाले पाहिजेत. अशा पद्धतीनं आता काय होतंय की फक्त हे 4 एलईडीज ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ फक्त होत आहेत, बाकीचे कंटिन्युअसली ऑफच राहत आहेत. So for that, what the program we or how we can program edit. So you're supposed to just check it out and keep in the notebook. And in the coming session, that is on Thursday, that we will perform for the same. So that is the homework it is given to you. So I hope you all got it, this one. So I will stop here today's session. So tomorrow morning you're supposed to give the descriptive test. So if no queries there, you can add your attendance and you can leave the session. Thank you.